all doing today? Welcome to this video. I know that you are searching for help on the internet, and that is why you made it all the way to this video. So today I am here to talk to you about your mitochondria function, about a supplement that is going to boost this up. And if you have absolutely no clue whatsoever, no idea what I'm talking about, then you need to stay in this video. But I'll tell you what. Your mitochondria is actually what helps your bodies to lose weight. It's what fuels your bodies up. It's what makes your bodies understand that the calorie needs to be burned off. So today I'm here to talk to you about Mitolyn, which is a dietary supplement that will get your mitochondria function boosted up, and it's going to bring a lot of great beneficial benefits as well to your health. So I'm here to talk to you about Mitolyn. Make sure you don't miss out. I will be leaving their official webpage right here below this video in the description box, because guys, the real Mitolyn is only sold on their official webpage. And if you want to make sure that you're not having frustrations with it in the future and that you are also purchasing the real deal, that's where you got to go. Okay, it's a click away. Anywho, guys, Mitolyn has lots of great ingredients to its formula. So we're talking about a blend of rhodiola rosea, maqui berry, which is this fruit that is super duper rich with antioxidants. And not only that, did you also know that maqui berry helps you with the health of your heart? It also helps you to stabilize your cholesterol levels. And then there's also amla, which is also known as this Indian gooseberry fruit. There is also astaxanthin, something like that, but you get the picture, right, guys? But all of these ingredients, they are natural. So the cool thing about Mitolyn is that it is 100% natural. There is no side effects to it. There is no contraindications, and that's why people like it. Because nowadays, lots of people want to become healthier. They want to take natural supplements that are good for their health and also beneficial. So since Mitolyn hit the market big, lots of people started using it because it does not give you side effects and there's no GMOs. So the cool thing about it is that you are getting rapid results, fast weight loss, and it's what people want, right? Sometimes you spend ages and ages in a gym doing workouts and you don't get results, and there goes lots of money, there goes lots of time, there goes lots of frustrations as well that you didn't even need to go through. So Mitolyn is this really interesting supplement that is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility, and it offers this suite of benefits, guys. It's also fantastic for your blood pressure management. It's great for your cognitive abilities, for your vision, your skin, your liver. So it brings lots of great results, and it does this just because it has natural ingredients. But Mitolyn is also fantastic for anyone who is trying to achieve weight loss, no matter how hard you've tried before. This is going to target your mitochondria function, which is this enzyme in our bodies that is responsible for helping our bodies shed unwanted calories off, not to mention the amount of energy we get as well. So give Mitolyn a shot. I know you're not going to regret this, and just take your treatment seriously. You can take it for 3 or for 6 months, okay? And just remember, it's every day a capsule, and along the way, if Mitolyn turns out to be not what you were expecting, there is a 90-day money-back guarantee waiting for you on their official webpage. So look at that, you don't even have to lose your money. Pop over to this link to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.